Welcome to SG1 Vlogs. Please subscribe to this channel. Do you want to eat tasty rice and cook easily? Watch this video cooking coconut rice with just 5 ingredients. I learned this recipe from my mom. This recipe does not require a lot of spices and tastes delicious. The ingredients for this recipe are coconut milk Lite 1 can, rice 1 can, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, cardamom powder 1 teaspoon and salt half teaspoon. Wash the rice and keep aside. Add coconut milk to the cooking bowl. Add a can of water. Turmeric powder. Cardamom powder. Salt. And let it boil. If you want to use fresh coconut, cut the kernel into half-inch pieces and grind them with warm water and squeeze out the milk. Take milk double the amount of the rice. If you want to use ready coconut canned milk, you can buy it in any grocery stores. You can cook in the rice cooker or on a regular stove. Cover the cooking bowl with a lid. When it starts boiling, add rice and cook. Coconut has lots of medicinal values and has good fats. Turmeric has all potential benefits like antibiotic, antihistamine, anti-inflammatory, etc. It alkalizes your body, may reduce the chances of getting cancer. Cardamom also has a lot of antioxidants. According to Ayurveda, cardamom is an aphrodisiac. It gives very rich aroma to the rice. You can eat this delicious rice with or without curry. If you are a vegan, try with any vegetable curry. And if you are a non-vegetarian, chicken curry is the best combination. Of course, you can eat this rice with any curry you like. It will be yummy with plain yogurt or yogurt chutney too. It's easy to cook in large amounts for the parties. If you are cooking on a stove, when water starts boiling, reduce the stove to the medium and cook it. If you don't see liquid on the surface of the rice in the bowl, reduce the stove to low and cook until rice is done. Let me eat my tasty, yummy coconut rice with egg gravy curry. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Press the notification bell and like this video. Try this recipe and comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.